Did you notice suspicious activities on your Facebook and now concerned that your account might have been hacked? I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to check whether your Facebook account is hacked or not. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Tap on Account Center at the top. Tap on Password and Security. Go to where you're logged in. Tap on your Facebook account. Here, it will show you all the devices that you've logged into. If you find any suspicious devices, tap on Select Device to Logout option that will be given at the bottom and change your password immediately. To get notified when a new device logs into your account, go back. Tap on Login Alerts right below where you're logged in. Tap on your Facebook account. Now select how you want to be notified. And that is how you check if your account is hacked or not. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.